Welcome to our video on understanding ICE detention at court. Today, we'll be discussing what non-citizens need to know about the potential risks of ICE detention when attending court, along with important considerations and actions one should take. Here's what we'll cover in today's session. First, we'll discuss the risks associated with ICE detaining non-citizens at court. Next, we'll delve into the factors that influence detention and the steps you should take if you're in this situation. Following that, we'll touch upon some important considerations and end with a disclaimer. Let's start with understanding the risk of detention. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, commonly known as ICE, has the authority to detain non-citizens, including those without legal status in the United States. Going to court, especially for legal matters, can heighten this risk. Various factors influence the likelihood of detention at court. The most significant is legal status. Those without proper documentation are at a higher risk, and the nature of the court appearance also plays a role. For example, a criminal case might lead to more scrutiny than a simple traffic ticket. Lastly, your location matters, as some states and jurisdictions have arrangements with ICE, increasing the risk of cooperation and detention. So what should you do if you're at risk? First, seek legal advice. Consult with an immigration attorney for specific guidance relevant to your situation. It's crucial to gather all necessary documents, including IDs and court papers. Additionally, explore alternatives to resolve matters, like paying traffic fines online if possible. Lastly, be prepared. Know your rights and have your attorney's contact information ready at all times. Let's test your understanding with a quiz question. What factor does not influence the risk of ICE detention at court? Your options are legal status, nature of court appearance, time of day, and location. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is time of day. The time when you attend court is not a factor that influences the risk of ICE detention. However, legal status, the nature of the court appearance, and location are influential factors. There are some critical considerations to keep in mind. Due process is essential, and immigration laws can change. Always stay informed about the latest developments. Remember, even a traffic violation can lead to ICE involvement, so be cautious. Also, be aware if your local area has any cooperation agreements with ICE, which could increase detention risks. To summarize, ICE does have the authority to detain non-citizens at court. Your legal status, the type of case, and geographical location significantly impact the risk of detention. It is imperative to seek legal advice and have all necessary documentation at hand. Lastly, be aware of any local agreements with ICE that could affect your situation. This video provides information for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional legal advice. Always consult with an attorney for guidance regarding your own unique situation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and consider subscribing for more content. Feel free to comment below with any thoughts or questions you have. We'd love to hear from you.